In the early 70s, oil was cheap and abundant, the fuel that powered post-war America without a second thought. Then OPEC slammed the door. After the 1973 war, the embargo and production cuts sent prices skyrocketing and put the world in gas lines. Before the decade ended, revolution in Iran cut supply again, and cheap crude was gone for good. The new decade opened with war between Iran and Iraq, two giant producers that kept markets on edge. Then the story flipped. New supply from the North Sea, Alaska, and Mexico flooded the market while demand slowed. In 1986, an OPEC price war and a massive glut crashed crude, and it spent the rest of the decade cheap. The 90s started with a jolt. Iraq invaded Kuwait, and markets priced in the loss of Gulf supply. Once Desert Storm secured the oil fields, prices collapsed almost as fast as they rose. Later, the Asian financial crisis crushed demand across the fastest-growing region for oil, and by the late 90s, crude was scraping multi-decade lows. The 2000s turned oil into a boom market again. Surging demand from China and India met tight spare capacity, and the 2003 Iraq War added a lasting risk premium. Prices marched higher for years until the summer of 2008, when WTI hit about $147. Then the financial crisis crushed demand, and crude cratered with the economy. The 2010s opened with Arab Spring chaos and Libya's civil war, cutting output and pushing prices back to triple digits. Then American shale rewrote the rulebook. A flood of U.S. oil collided with OPEC's choice to defend market share instead of price. And from 2014 to 2016, crude crashed hard. For the rest of the decade, shale caped how high prices could run. The 20s opened with demand vanishing overnight as COVID locked down the world. In April 2020, oil futures even went negative. Then Russia's 2022 invasion of Ukraine sent prices spiking all over again. From a couple of dollars a barrel to over 100, oil has swung with every war, boom, and bust. Subscribe for more history and data.